Hello. Now in material science and engineering, unit first, crystal structure. So, what is crystal structure? The crystal structure is the manner in which atoms, ions, or molecules are spatially arranged. Now, unit cell. What is unit cell? Small repeating entirely of the atomic structure, the basic building block of the crystal structure. It defines the entire crystal structure with the atom position within. Now, lattice. The, the 3D array of points coinciding with atoms position center of spheres, that is lattice. About 14 types of crystal structure observed in metals. At least 3 can be studied. Crystal structure, the first one BCC, that is equal to body center cubic. Second one FCC, that is equal to face center cubic. And third one is HCP, that is equal to hexagonal close pack. Now body center cubic lattice BCC, that is equal to, it's like all lattice has lattice points at the 8 corner of the unit cell plus an addition points at the center of the cell. It has unit cells vectors A, that is equal to B, that is equal to C, and entire axial angles, that is alpha, it is equal to beta, that is equal to gamma, that is equal to 90 degree. Here is the figure of BCC, body center cubic. Now face centered cubic structure FCC has atoms located at each of the corner and the center of all the cubic faces. Each of the corner atoms is the corner of another cube, so the corner atoms are shared among 8 unit cells. Here is the figure of FCC, face centered cubic. Now hexagonal close packed HCP, that is arrangement of atoms. The unit cell consists of 3 layers of atoms. The top and bottom layers contain 6 atoms at the corners of a hexagonal and 1 atom at the center of each hexagonal. Here is the figure of HCP, hexagonal close pack. Now crystallographic direction. What is this? This refers to direction in the various crystal system that correspond with the growth of the mineral and often with the direction of one of the faces of the original crystal itself. And second one, vectors referred to as crystallographic axes. Now crystal directions. Crystal and lattice crystal symmetry. A plane with Miller indices shows by HKL faces passes through the 3 points A upon H, second one B upon K, and C upon L on the edges of the unit cell. Now, definition of Miller index, that is any of a set of 3 number or letters used to indicate the position of a face or internal planes of a crystal and determined on the basis of the reciprocal of the intercept of the face or plane on the crystallographic axis. Miller indices. From a notation system in crystallographic for planes in crystal, lattice or notation denotes the set of all planes that are equivalent to HKL. Now, definition of crystallographic planes. Any set of parallel and equally spaced planes that may be supposed to pass through the center of atoms in crystals. Now, crystal imperfection. Crystal imperfection are the defects in the regular geometrical arrangement of the atoms in a crystalline solid. A perfect crystal is an idealization. There is no such things in nature. Here is the figure of crystallographic planes, different types. Now, crystal defects. All crystals have some defects. Point defects include lattice, vacancies, self interstitial atoms, substitution impurity atoms, and interstitial impurity atoms. Linear defects, which are group of atoms in irregular positions. Linear defects are commonly called dislocation. Now, crystal defects. Imperfection in the regular geometrical arrangement of the atoms in a crystalline solid. These imperfections result from deformation of the solid, rapid cooling from high temperature or high energy radiation, X-rays or neutrons striking the solids. Now, there are basic classes of crystal defects. Point defect, which are placed where an atom is missing or irregularly placed in the lattice structure. Linear defects, which are group of atoms in irregular positions. Planar defects, which are interfaces between homogeneous regions of the material. Point defects. The point defects are where an atom is missing or is in an irregular place in the lattice structure. Point defects include self-interstitial atoms, interstitial impurities atoms, substitutional atoms, and vacancies. Line defects or dislocation are lines along which whole rows of atoms in a solid are arranged anomalously. The resulting irregularities in spacing is most severe along a line called the line of dislocation. A dislocation, which is a line defect that may run the length of the crystal. Surface defects. A defect is a small imperfection affecting a few atoms. Surface defects may arise at the boundary between two grains or small crystal within a layer crystal. The row of the atoms in two different grains may run in slightly different directions, leading to a mismatch across the grain boundaries. Here's the figure of point defects of in a crystals, and here is the figure of line defects in a crystal, and here is the surface defects in a crystals.